welcome back, guys. So a lot of you are asking me about the Samsung Galaxy Watch, about the notification. So today I'm going to go over the tutorial on how to turn it on your notification, either enable or disable your notification, and then how to set it, this and that, okay? So first of all, you want to go ahead and then grab your smartphone and then go to your Galaxy wearable. Anyway, a lot of you guys are asking me about where did I get my watch band, which is this one, the stainless steel. It is a pretty nice watch band, and then feels pretty solid. I find a new link I will share with you guys within the description, all right? And I got some viewers who want to see like a different color, so I decided to purchase all 4 colors. This is the first color that I got, which is silver stainless steel. And then they have black, gold, and then rose gold. So there was this seller I found on eBay. Buy one, and then if you purchase the second one, you get 25% off. Hopefully I knew that at the beginning, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Anyway, it's too late. So I was glad that I could buy one and get the second one 25% off. So one order for the 2 band, I purchased less than $20, which is pretty awesome. This one originally, when I found it at first, it was $12.99, but I got the $3 eBay bucks, so I used that. So I ended up paying $10. But with the eBay bucks, you had to spend it, and then they give you like a rewards on that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So you're gonna go and then hit your home page button right there, and then go to Galaxy wearable right here. And over here, it will load up your information for your Galaxy Watch. All right, in case you want to go to clear your RAM, you just hit there, and then let it load, and then when it's finished, you just put it clean. So I guess mine is already clean, so let's see. And then you could also check on the storage. I'm not sure why the Samsung Galaxy Watch has less storage than the Apple Watch, the Series 4. So, because with this watch, it's only 4 gigabyte compared to the Apple Watch. I think it's about 6 gig or something. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's taking a little bit longer time to load. I guess it's try to see what you have. I don't have that much stuff on my watch, so anyway. So you're gonna go ahead and clean now. So yeah, it shows I only have 1.4 gigabyte of space left, which is pretty low. I download only 2 songs in there. So, and anyway, you want to go ahead and then check out your battery life. It shows 1 day something left, but that could be wrong because normally I get like 4 to 5 days of the usage. Well, that's also compared to how many notification you get. If you get the more notification, it's gonna drain more batteries on your watch. So if I turn on the battery saver mode on, or the power saving mode on, I will get 4 days and then 13 hours. Okay. So my usage since last charge is already been 1 day and 8 hours already on the battery. So I say estimate life, but sometimes that's wrong. Okay, that is not accurate. And it will show you what you guys use the most on the battery. Samsung Health, news brief, notification 3%, world clock, Bixby, music. All right. So let's go ahead and go to your setting real quick. Let's go to the setting. And on the setting, you want to go to notifications. All right. So in case you don't get any notification, that means you already turn it off on your smartphone. All right. You might make sure you turn that on. And these are some of the notification show on while wearing watch, on or off. Right now it's on. And then auto show detail, show the detail on the new notification automatically. It is on. And notification indicator, show indicator on watch face for unread notification. So it is on. You could also turn on the watch screen when notifications are received. But if you turn it on, it's going to be wasting more battery on that. Okay, so I leave it off. And then show while using phone. Show phone notification on your watch while you are using your phone. So mine is off. And you want to go ahead and then go to manage notification right here. So in case you need to turn on all your apps, you want to go ahead and then turn that on. And then all your apps notification are switched on. But it's going to kill your battery, okay? So you want to turn it off. Oh, shoot. Didn't I just turn off all mine? So once you turn it off, you got to be sure which notification that you want to turn it on now, okay? Because before I have like a 17 app that I turn it on. So I think the most was Twitter is killing my battery. And so these are some of the apps that you want to go through and each one of it and turn it on. That's why people are complaining their phone or their watch is not getting any notification coming in. Either they accidentally turn it off or something, okay? So here are my weather. I'm going to leave the Twitter off. Health. Messenger, message, Line, Instagram. I don't need Hangout. Gmail. Galaxy app. Maybe Facebook. Call service, yep, I need that when people call in, you want to answer. Calendar, yep. So this is how you manage your notification, okay? Whatever app that you want to turn it on or off, that's how you manage it. So you won't be missing out your notification and saying that the watch is broken or something like that. And if you go to watch face, you could customize your own watch face over here by going up and down. All right, and here is if you want to change the dial, you hit that upper right hand side, and then the color complication. That's the 1, 2, and then 3. All right, that's from the smartphone setting. And then on the watch, in order to find out where's the notification at, you want to go ahead and push it to turn on your watch. Or if you raise it up, you should turn it on, and then you dial the bezel to your left. All right, and those are all the notification by turning your bezel to your left. Okay, and in case you want to, sometimes if they have like 3 dots under here, you could go in there and then look into it some more. Let me see if I can find it out real quick. And it also shows your sleep record. So it shows a Facebook with a picture, which is pretty awesome. Like whoever posts a Facebook, and if they post a new picture, it show it to you. And it also show the meeting. Whatever you set on your calendar, it's gonna sync it. All right, and then you show the weather. So if you go in there and then look at it by tapping, you can scroll. Oop, I didn't say anything. Why is the weather? That's Bixby.
I'm a disembodied voice, so I'm afraid that isn't possible.
All right, so yeah, so you can see the 3 dots right there. You can touch it. I'm not sure what's here, not here. And then if you want to show on your phone, you just press show on your phone. Or if you want to block this notification, you can block it. And then to clear all. So if I hit show on the phone, my phone is going to do something and show it. See, it showed on the phone, and then show target or whatever. Okay. But in case you're driving, then you cannot show it to your phone. It's going to be pretty dangerous, so you don't want to do that. So again, this is like a Instagram, so you can hit this, tap it, and go in there and read all about it, okay? Or retweet or whatever. And then there's a 3 button right there. You can press it. Again, you can reply, retweet, like, show on phone again, block notification, or clear all. Let me see if I hit that show on phone. What's it going to show? So yeah, it's show on the phone, but that's it. Okay. So again, if you keep on toggling to your left all the way down toward the end, okay, that means you are the very last notification. There are no more notification. But if you turn right, then that's your previous notification. And if you toward the end, you could hit the clear all, which is this one will delete all your notifications. So I'm going to delete all or clear all, and then it's going to kick back to my dial or my face, my watch face. And then when you turn it to the left, notification, all the notifications are clear already. Okay. So hopefully this will help you guys out. If you guys have any question, please drop me in the comments on below. But be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. like always. Peace.